Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? I think you will be fine at home. Students, in this video I am going to explain you adjective, which is the third chapter of class 8th. Students, in the previous video I explained the definition with its kinds, and I also explained some uses of adjectives. And in this video I am going to explain you a part of adjective which is quantitative adjective. So this is an adjective which is used used with countable and uncountable nouns. So students, what are the quantitative adjectives? You can see on the whiteboard. Quantitative adjectives are some, any, many, much, few, little. These are quantitative adjectives. Students, you should remember that quantitative adjectives are used to describe quantity and number of the nouns and pronouns. So one by one we will study use of some. Some is used for both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, if we talk about some, use of some, example, there is some water in this glass. There is some water in this glass. So water cannot be counted. So some is used for water, uncountable nouns. And for countable noun, I have some coins in my pocket. I have some coins in my pocket. Some coins. So some is used here for the countable nouns. So in this way we can use some for both countable and uncountable nouns. And one more important thing you have to remember here is that some is used with affirmative sentences. Or some is used in affirmative sentences. Don't use with in affirmative sentences. सम का यूज हम affirmative sentence में करते हैं. Mostly सम का यूज affirmative sentence में होता है. Now we will discuss about any. Any means कोई. Example, there is no any water in the glass. There is no any water in the glass. So any is used for uncountable nouns. And for countable nouns, is there any parent in the office? Is there any parent in the office? So any is used for the countable nouns. So in this way, students, you can understand that any is used for both countable and uncountable nouns. I hope you have understood. And one more thing you have to remember here, student, that any is used in negative and interrogative sentences, with interrogative sentences, or in interrogative sentences and in negative sentences. This is very important point to remember, that any is used with interrogative sentences and negative sentences, and some is used, mostly some is used in affirmative sentences. तो विद्यार्थियों, स्टूडेंट्स, इस बात को आपको ध्यान रखना है, विशेष तौर से ध्यान रखना है कि सम का यूज अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस में करते हैं और एनी का यूज नेगेटिव और इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में करते हैं. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. नाउ द नेक्स्ट यूज ऑफ मैनी एंड मच. मैनी एंड मच. Students, many is used for countable nouns and much is used for uncountable nouns. For example, I saw many students in the field. I saw many students in the field. Students are countable, so many is used with the countable nouns. And if we discuss about much, so much is used I have much food to give you. I have much food to give you. Much food. Food is not countable. This is uncountable. So I have much food to give you. In this way, we can use much with uncountable nouns. So I hope you have understood these 4 quantitative adjectives. Now we will discuss about the next 2 quantitative adjectives, which are little, few. And first of all, we will discuss about few. Students, few is used with countable nouns. Few is a countable adjective, while little is an uncountable adjective. Few means kuch, but this is used, few is used in negative sense. Hardly any. Few means very less. It means nothing. Few means I have, for example, if I said I have few notes, I have few notes to purchase things. I have few notes to purchase things. It means I do not have notes. I do not have notes to purchase things, because I am using here few. Few means hardly any. It means nothing. Next is a few. If I say I have a few to purchase things. It means I have some notes. This is used in sense of affirmation. Few is used in sense of affirmation, while only few is used in sense of negation. So I hope you have understood. I have a few notes. मेरे पास कुछ रुपए सामान खरीदने के लिए हैं. यहाँ पर कहते हैं I have few notes to purchase things. सामान खरीदने के लिए मेरे पास बहुत कम, ना के बराबर नोट्स है. बहुत कम, nothing. You can say nothing. So few is used in sense of negation. If somebody says that I have few coins with me, it means he does not have coin. He does not have coins. So students, I hope you have understood. And their use of the few. The few means the whole. Whatever is having, whatever is there, that all the whole is referred by the few. Like for example, he spent the few coins on food he had. He spent the few coins on food he had. Or you can say he spent a few rupees, few notes, whatever you say. So he spent the few rupees or few coins, rupees, whatever you want to say. Either say rupees or coins. He spent the few rupees, the few coins on food he had. It means, students, he spent all the money whatever he had. Either he had one coin or he had more than one coins. Understand? It means he spent all the money he had at that time. So the few refers the whole amount. I hope you have understood. Now we will discuss about little. Little is also used as few. Little refers uncountable nouns. Students, little refers uncountable nouns. Little means बहुत कम, थोड़ा सा, कुछ. Little is used in a sense of negation. Little is used in sense of negation. Like he drank little water. He drank little water. What it means? He drank little water. It means he drank no water. Little means nothing. If I say he drank little water or he took little food, it means he did not take food. Because little refers in the sense of negation. Hardly any food. He drank hardly any water. Hardly any water. You can say he drank hardly any water. Means he did not drink water. So little is used in the sense of negation. Now, if I say a little means kuch. This is used in sense of affirmation. Like he drank a little water. He drank a little water. It means he drank water. It may be very less, but he drank the water. He drank water. So he drank little water, a little water. This is used in sense of affirmation. So I hope you have understood. Little is used in sense of negation, and a little is used in sense of affirmation. And little refers uncountable nouns, and few refers countable nouns. Now I am talking about the little, use of the little. Little, a little, and now I am talking about the little. Use of the little. What is the use of the little? The use of the little is same like the use of the few. The few जिस तरह यूज किया जाता है सेंटेंस में काउंटेबल नाउन के लिए, उसी प्रकार द लिटिल का भी यूज अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के लिए किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द गेस्ट्स had the little food. The guest had the little food we served. We served. I hope you have understood. The guest had the little food we served. The guest eaten up or consumed the whole food what we served. Either it was a little bit, but they consumed whole food, whatever was served there. For example, for next example, I drank the little tea in the cup. I drank the little tea in the cup. What it means, students? It means that I drank the whole tea that was in the cup. I drank the whole tea that was in the cup. So the little express the whole amount of the things, whole amount of the commodity. So the little refers the whole amount, and if I say, for example, he spent he drank the little water in the glass. He drank the little water in the glass. What it means? He drank the whole water of the glass. Whatever it was, it may be on the bottom, it may be up to the top, it may be full or it may be on the bottom. But he drank the whole water, the whole water, or he drank the little water in the glass. So I hope students you have understood adjective, which is quantitative adjective. Some, any, many, much, few, little. These are quantitative adjective. I have explained you this. If there is any problem, then put your queries in the next video. So thank you. Have a nice day.